Hi children, today we are going to learn 7th class, 2nd chapter, fractions, decimals and rational numbers. In that, exercise number 2.4 and also I will explain 2.5. So in this 2.4 we are going to learn the division of fractions. Okay, division of fractions. In that we will learn a term like a reciprocal. Then in 2.5 we are going to learn the conversions. How to convert rupees into paisa, paisa into rupees, and centimeters into meters, meters into kilometers, and centimeters into millimeters, and grams into kgs, kgs into grams. These kind of problems are there. That means 2.5. About 2.5 is completely about the decimals. About the decimals in the 2.5. So in the 2.4 about the fraction, that is division of fractions, and 2.5 about the decimal of the fractions. Okay, sorry, decimal. Then let us enter into the chapter here as 2.4. Here we have overall 4 questions. Let us solve the 4 bits. Also, the first bit here. First bit, find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Reciprocal in the sense same. That means a reciprocal in the sense we have learned that in our previous classes also, interchanging the numerator as a denominator and denominator as a numerator. That means we have to change the numerator as a denominator, denominator as a numerator. This is called as a reciprocal, reversing, that is called reciprocal. So here first question, reciprocal of 5 by 8. Here reciprocal of 5 by 8 is 8 by 5 is equal to 8 by 5. The second question here, reciprocal of 8 by 7. Reciprocal of 8 by 7 equal to 7 by 8. In this way you can tell now. What is the reciprocal? The third question here. Reciprocal of 13 by 7. Reciprocal of 13 by 7 is what here? 7 by 13. Then the fourth question, reciprocal of 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is what? Reciprocal. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Simple. Interchanging numerator as a denominator, denominator as a numerator is called as a reciprocal. Then here there is a second bit about the divisions. In the division of the fractions, in this division of fractions, we'll get the concept of this reciprocal actually. So if you know the reciprocal topic, then you will go for the division of fractions. Here second bit, find out the answer. Here 18 is divisible by 3 by 4. 18 is divided by 3 by 4. So first of all, let us, this 18 will express as a 18 by 1 divided by 3 by 4. Okay, when you get division of two fractions, okay, division of two fractions, then you write the first fraction as it is and change this division symbol as a multiplication and do the reciprocal of second fraction. What we are doing, once again you listen, write the first fraction as it is, change the division symbol as a multiplication. Why we are changing this division as a multiplication? Because we are doing a reciprocal of second fraction. Now you can do it. 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. Then here you can see 6 into 4. 6 into 4, that is equal to 24. In the denominator we have only 1 into 1, that will be 1 only. So will not be considered that. Then we have a second question that 8 divided by 7 by 3. See that how I am going to do this. Simple, 8 I will write as a 8 by 1 into this division symbol become a multiplication. 7 by 3, reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. So 8 into 3, product of numerators by product of denominators, 1 into 7. Here it is a 24 by 7. 24 by 7. This you can also express in the form of mixed fraction. 7 3s are 21, 3 left. That is 3 whole 3 by 7. 3 whole 3 by 7. And I'm going to teach you one more question here. There are two questions are there again. 3 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. Okay, let us write this 3 will write as a 3 by 1. Okay, divided by this mixed fraction will change as a improper fraction. 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 7 by 3. Now you can do the same process as we done in the before problems. Let us write 3 by 1. This division symbol become a multiplication and reciprocal of this 7 by 3 become 3 by 7. Now easily you can do it. 3 into 3 9 and 1 into 7 7, and you change this improper fractions into mixed fraction. 7 ones are 7, so remainder 2. This one become a whole part and this remainder become a numerator part, and this divisor become a denominator part. 1 whole 1 by 2 the answer. Here the fourth question of this bit and the last question of this bit now, that is 5 divided by 3 by 3 whole 4 by 7. 5 divided by 3 whole 4 by 7. Then this 5 I will express as a 5 by 1 divided by this mixed fraction. I will change into the improper fraction now. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 25. 25 by 7. Now 5 by 1 into 7 by 21. This 21 by 7 becomes 7 by 21. Easily here I can cancel. 7 ones are 7. Okay. So here I had done a small mistake here, calculation mistake. Sorry for that. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 25. 25 by 7. Okay. Let us rewrite again. 5 by 1 into here. This 25 by 7 we can write 7 by 25. 5 is a 5, 5 is a 25. Now 1 into 7 is 7 and 1 into 5 is 5. This will be the answer. Again, this can be expressed as in the mixed fraction. 5 is a 5 and the remainder will be 2. If you write in the mixed fraction form, 1 whole 2 by 5. 1 whole 2 by 5. This will be the answers of division of fractions. Whenever you get the division of fractions, you have to do this. First fraction you write as it is, and the division symbol you change as a multiplication symbol, and do the reciprocal of second fraction. Then you get the product of the fraction. Then product of the fraction is the same product of numerator by product of denominator. If at all you get the improper fraction, that you need to change as a mixed fraction. Always our answer should express in the mixed fractions only. Okay, maximum number of times they ask us to show the answer in the mixed fractions. Then third bit is also same here. Third bit questions also will be same only. Let me explain that. 2 by 5 divided by 3. 2 by 5 divided by 3. Let us find out 2 by 5 divided by 3 will express as a 3 by 1. Then 2 by 5, this division symbol become multiplication. 3 by 1 become 1 by 3. Then 2 ones are 2, 5 3s are 15. This will be the answer. Very simple. See, when you know the process how to do it, it is very easy to do it. 7 by 8 is divided by 5. So this 7 by 8 divided by 5 will write as a 5 by 1. Then here 7 by 8 into 5 by 1. Reciprocal of this 1 by 5. Then 7 ones are 7, 8 5s are 40. Simple. Next, there is a one more question and the last question of this bit. 4 by 9 divided by 4 by 5. See that how we are going to do it here. 4 by 9, the division symbol become multiplication symbol, and the second fraction we have to do the reciprocal. Simple. Now here 4 ones are get cancelled. Here 1 into 5 is 5, 9 into 1 is 9, 5 by 9. So with this we have completed this third bit. So now we'll enter into the fourth bit, and this is the last question of this exercise, and this is the last question of the fractions also. So fourth bit, and it is the fourth question actually. See that Deepak can paint 2 by 5 of a house in one day. So 2 by 5 of a house you can paint in one day. In one day you can paint 2 by 5 of a paint of a house. There is a house here. So in this house you can paint 2 by 5 of a part. A painting you can complete in one day. So if he continues working at this rate, how many days it will take to paint the whole house? That means if he continuously paint in this rate, 2 by 5 of the work in one day, in how many days you can complete the painting of this house? Very simple. Here, if this house you divide into 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 parts will complete in one day. So this will be takes in one day. Okay. Then these 2 parts will take in one more day. So 2 days and 1/2 day will take. 1/2 day. So 1 plus 1, 2.5 days. In the 2.5 days, you will complete the painting. It's a simple, we can understand in this way. So let me solve the problem in mathematically. See, Raju can paint, Deepak here. Deepak can paint 2 whole 5 by 5 of a house in one day. So the total work is what actually? The total work is 1. The complete house, if we take as a one part, okay, the total work, suppose we assume like a 1. The total work is 1, suppose. The total work will take as a one part. Then how can we divide? See, a Deepak can complete the work. Now Deepak can complete the whole work. Complete work. Deepak can complete the whole work. Here very simple that we have seen only one part. That means we have one work. This here divided by, that work is divided by 2 by 5. That means in each day you can only complete 2 by 5 of the work. So the work is divided into the parts, like So first day you will come and complete some work, and the next day you will come and complete some works, and next day you will come and complete some other work. That means the complete work, one work will divide. Slowly you will complete. So we are dividing this complete work by 2 by 5. That means he is capable of completing the work 2 by 5 in each one day. So here in this way we can write. Now here 1 we can write as a 1 by 1. This division symbol become multiplication. This 2 by 5, the division, see, R0 will write 1, we can write 1 by 1, and 2 by 5 will write. Now division of two fractions, one fraction and another fraction. Division of two fractions. So what we do it normally? So first fraction we write as it is into this 2 by 5 we write as a 5 by 2. So 1 into 5 is 5, 1 into 2 is 2, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 in the sense this we express into the mixed fraction. 2 to the 4, we get 1 as a remainder. So we'll write now, this is the whole part, that is the 2 whole 1 by 2 days. That means in the 2.5 days, this Deepak can complete the painting of a particular house. So I hope you understand this exercise. Now we go for 2.5 exercise number 2.5. So before we go into the 2.5 exercise, we must know about what is meaning of a decimal. So what is meaning of a decimal? To know about this, about the decimal, I have already done a video that about decimals. You can search in my channel so that you will get about decimals video, that you watch it clearly. And let us see a decimal can, Arnold, I will explain here. See, a decimal can divide, decimal is denoted by a point. Decimal will divide the whole number into the two parts actually. Suppose let me take it 525. This is a 525. If I take a point here, it become a 5.25. 5.25. After the decimal, the digits has to be read separately. So here a decimal can divide the whole number into the two parts. This left side part is known as a integer part. The right side part is known as a decimal part. This point is known as a decimal point. Decimal point. So here a decimal can divide the whole number into the two parts. That is, one is integer part, the other one is decimal part. The decimal point, this dot is known as a decimal point. So here in this exercise we are going to learn changing decimals into fractions, fractions into decimals, and conversions of units like kgs into grams and centimeters into meters, meters into kilometers, and gram. What we are going to learn again? Yes, paisas into rupees, rupees into paisa. This we are going to be learning. So we have to know that how to compare the decimal numbers first. So first of all, let me express you first. I will give you some introduction here. 5.325 or not 75.325. 75.325. Here 5 in ones place. This is like a integer part. As we read the numbers, in the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, suppose. Okay. Then thousands place it will go on. Ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place. But when it comes to the decimal side, decimal part, it starts from the tens place, tens place, hundredth place, thousandth place. That means it not starts from the ones place. It has the tenth place. So when you write the expanded form of this number, expanded form in the sense, see this 4 into 1000 because it is a thousand form, thousand place. Then place this 3 in the hundred place, so 3 into 100. Place this 7 in tens place, so 7 into 10. Place this 5 in ones place, so 5 into 1. Place now here this will start from the tens place, so 3 by 10. So after the decimal we have to write. See, before the decimals, the left side of the decimal will multiply the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, so according to the place values. But after the decimal we have to divide. See, it starts from the tens place, so divide by 10. Place here the 2 divide by hundreds place because 2 in the hundredth place and 5 in the thousandth place. So this is the expanded form of this number. Okay, then how to change the decimals into fractions? How to change the decimals into fractions I will tell you here. The whole number, complete number you write first. Then after the decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So you keep a 1000 here. This is a changing decimals into fraction. And fraction into decimal also we can do the same. Let me write here. Suppose 325 by 100. How can we change this fraction into decimal? Simple. How many zeros are there in the denominator? 2 zeros. So you write the numerator number as it is. How many zeros? 2 zeros. Count the 2 digits from the right side. 192. 3.25. So in this way we can complete. So I hope you got a little idea about this exercise. Now we'll enter into the exercise. There we'll learn. Okay. Now here every question we have to listen very carefully. Here first bit. In the first bit, which one is the greater? And that means comparing the decimal numbers. Comparing decimal number. Which decimal number is greater and which decimal number is smaller. I will tell you, try to understand, make you understand this question. 0.7 or 0.07. Which is greater? 0.7 is greater or 0.07 is greater? To comparing the decimal, I will tell you very easy way. First you compare the whole numbers. Compare the whole number. Here there is a 0, here there is a 0. So both are same. Next compare the decimal parts. First one. Here 7, here 0. 7 is greater or 0 is greater? 7 is greater. So 0.7 is greater. 0.7 is greater than 0.07. Now the second question is that. Let's see. that will be 7 or 8.5. 7 or 8.5. 7 is greater or 8.5 is greater. Normally we know that directly we know that 8.5 is greater than 7. Simple. Okay. Now the third one, 1.47 or 1.51. Simple. Now see, first 1 and 1 whole parts are same. Now we have to go for a decimal. Here 4, here 5. 4 is greater or 5 is greater? 5 is greater. So 1.51 is greater than 1.47. Now next, the fourth question is 6 or 0.66. 6 is greater or 0.66 is greater? 6 is the greater. 0 point, that means the number is 0, less than 1 only it is. So 6 is greater than 0.66. Comparing the decimal is very easy. For example, I will give you one more. 3 point, for example, it is. It is not in the test book. 3.5743 or 3.5747. Which is greater than this? Now we have to compare the whole numbers. 3 and 3 both are same. Next to 5 and 5 both are same. Now you cannot compare here. Now next to 7 and 7 this also same. Next to 4 and 4 this also same. Next to here 3 or 7. 3 is greater or 7 is greater? So 7 is greater. So that number is greater than this. Simple. Okay. Now 3.5747 is greater than 3.5743 in that example. Now comparing the decimal is very easy. I hope you understood this. Now let us enter into the second bit in this. Second bit. Express the following as rupees using decimals. Okay, express the following in rupees. That I have given a paisa here. The first question, 9 paise. 9 paise. This 9 paise we have to express in the rupees. As you know, first thing we have to remember that here we have to remember one thing. I'll write here. So I'll write one thing. First of all, we should know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Okay, we know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. So here the first question is that 9 paise. 9 paise equal to how many rupees? So here 9, we have to change this paisa into rupees, no? 9 by 100 rupee. 9 by 100 rupees. So 9 by 100 is in the fraction. We change into the decimal. As I told you, how many zeros are there? First number you write here as it is. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So this fraction will change into the decimal now. So we will count the 2 digits from the right side. Here only 1 digit is there. So we will keep one more digit, that is 0, and then we will keep a point. Then 0.09 rupees. So 9 paisa equal to 0.09 rupees. Now you can understand here the second question, 77 rupees 7 paise. 7 paise. 77 rupees 7 paise. So simple. This 77 rupees will keep it like this only. And this 7 paise. This 7 paise, what we have to do it, see. This 7 paise will write as a 7 by 100 rupees. That means 7 by 100. So see that here 77. Okay, this rupees will keep a decimal point here. This 7 by 100. Okay, this 7 by 100. I will not write here 77 rupees. Here this 77. That means what we can do here, 7 by 100. That we have to write in the decimal part. That means we can see here this. We have to add it like, here this will write 0.07. Okay, rupees. Now this also I change. This 7 by 7 paisa I change it as a rupees. Now let us add this both now. 77 plus 0.07. Let us add it here. This will keep it like this. Okay, now 77.07 rupees. Simple. That 7 paisa we need to change into rupees. 7 paisa equal to 0.07 rupees. Here 9 paisa equal to 0.09 rupees. So 77 rupees plus 0.07 equal to 77.07. So addition of fractions are this. So here 235 paisa. 235 paisa in the sense simple. Here 235. This paisa we change as a rupees. When you divide by 100, it become a rupees. So now there are two zeros. No, you write the whole number here. 235. Count the two digits here. 192. On 235 divide by 100, you will get the same thing. That is 2.35 rupees. That means 2 rupees 35 paisa. 2.35. So I hope you understood this. This you need to be remember. 1 rupee equal to how many paisa? 100 paisa. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. That you need to be remember. Next, we go for third bit. There are two internal questions in the third bit. In that first question is that express 10 centimeter in meters and kilometers. Meters and kilometers. Okay. Then, so how can we express this 10 centimeter into meters and kilometers? For that, we need to know that some things here. So I will tell you. I will write some instructions here that you need to be remember this. Okay, that you need to be remember. The 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. That you can see on the scale. Between 1 centimeter there are small millimeters. Then here 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Then 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 1000 meters. Mainly you must know this. Okay, you must know this content. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So what we have to do? This they have given 10 centimeters. This centimeters we have to change into the meters. So 10. Okay, how many meters equal? That means 1 centimeter. How many meters equal to 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? This we have to write in the meters. So by how much we have to divide? Let's see. 10 centimeter equal to. Here centimeters we have to convert it to the meter, no? So we have to divide. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So we have to divide by 100 here. See. 10 by 100. 10 by 100 equal to. 10 by 100 is what? 10 by 100. 10 10 get cancelled. 1 by 10 meters. 1 by 10 is meters, nothing but a 0.1 meters. 0.1 meter. Now we got, that means 10 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter equal to 0.1 meter. Then this 10 centimeter equal to how many kilometers? We have to change into the meters and kilometers. Let us change into the kilometers. Say this 10 centimeter equal to, already we know that this 10 centimeter you have changed as a 0.1 meters. This meters we change into the kilometers. Same. 10 centimeter is nothing but 0.1 meters. This meters we change into the kilometer. 0.1 what kilometers? To change into the kilometer, by how much we have to divide? See here, how 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer. So we have to divide by 1000 here. I have divided by 1000. Now see how many zeros are in the denominator? 3 zeros are there. So first of all we have to see how many these decimal points will be. Go on like that. Okay, let us divide it now. here 0.1 is there already. So after 3 places we have to keep, after the 3 digits we have to keep a 0. Already there is a 1 here. Okay, now we'll keep 0 0 0 1. Already there is a 1 here, 1 decimal point plus 3's, so become a 4 and 0, 0.0001 kilometer. So as if you are difficult in this way, so we can go for one thing. Here 10 centimeter equal this 10 by 100, that means if you 10 by 100 if you do it, that means in the meters, into 1000, then it will be in the kilometers, so this 10 I change into the meters by dividing by 100, again I divided by 1000 to change into the kilometers. So here 1010 get cancelled, 1 by how many zeros are there? Now here 1, here 3, 4, that means 1 2 3 4, here 0.001 kilometer, 0.0001 kilometer, that is 10 centimeter equal to. Okay, I have done the two methods which is very favorable to you, which is very understand for you, you go for that method. Next, the next one also will be in the same only. Express 45 millimeters in centimeters, comma meters and kilometers. So in 3 terms we have to change it. Okay, let us see. First of all, we go for here A part, that means 45 millimeters equal to, how many millimeters equal to 1 centimeter? That is a 10 millimeters. That means this 45 by 10, if you do it, you will get in the centimeters. If you divide by 10, you will get in the centimeters. So 45 by 10 is nothing but a 4.5 centimeter. That means your 45 millimeters is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then like B I will go. Like B in the sense I will go for centimeter completed, meters. 45 millimeters equal to this 45 by 10. This millimeters I change into the centimeter because 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. This centimeters are completed. I have to be changed into the meter. Now it is in the centimeter form. Okay, 45 by 10 centimeters. This centimeters I have to change into the meters. So how many meter? 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 100. So into 100. Now it become a meters. Simple. Now it's nothing but a 45 by 10 into 100, that is 1000 meters. Nothing but. Let us take 45 by 1000. Nothing but here what will get? 45 will write 3 zeros. No, 1 2 3 and 0. So 0.045 meter. That is 45 millimeters equal. 45 millimeters equal to 0.045 meters. And at C part, that means I will go for the kilometer part now. So here 45 millimeters equal to how many kilometers? Let me write here. 45 by, I go for 10, it becomes a centimeter, into 100, it is a meters. Now into 1000, it become a kilometer, because 10 centimeter equal to, 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter, 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer. Now it will become a kilometer. Let us write here 45 by, here 30, that means 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 kilometer. Let us change into the fraction of 45. So 6 points, 6 decimal places, 1 2 3 4 5 6.0. So 0.000045 kilometer, that is 45 millimeters. 45 millimeters equal to. Okay, this is the explanation. We have to practice this. To do this, we should have aware about this conversions first. So we have to learn that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer. So these are the simple conversions you must remember to do this bit actually. So we have completed this third bit also. Next, fourth bit. Overall we have 8 questions in this fourth bit. express the following in kilograms. Kilograms in the sense of kg. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. On the measuring weights in the shops, normally in kirana shops, we can observe the measuring weights. There you can see that 1 kg equal to 1000 grams will be written on that mass, and half kg 500 grams will be written on 200 grams, 100 grams mass. We can see there iron mass. There we can see the weights actually. So here this we need to be convert the fourth weight. First one, this grams we need to be changed into the kilograms. 190 grams. 190 grams. This will change into the kg. So already we know that 1000 grams equal to 1 kg. So 190 we have to divide by 1000 because 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram. So this will get here 190. 3 zeros now 123.0 kg. That means here 190 grams is equal to 0.190 kilogram. Then second one, the second one here 247 grams. 247 grams. Simple. 247 by 1000 kg. That equal to 0.247 kg. Next, third one, 44 kg, 80 grams. 44 kg, 80 grams. So this 80 grams will divide first. This 44 kg plus this 80 grams, 80 by 1000 gram. 80 by 1000 grams. Because this grams we need to change into the kilograms. So this 80 grams I have changed into the kilogram. So 44 kg plus here see that 80 in the sense what we can write here 30123.0 kg. 0.080 kg. Now we can add it here 44.000. How many zeros we want to keep after the decimal? The zero has no value. Then 0.080. 08044. That is 44.080 kg. Simple. 44.080 kg. That means this grams we have converted to the kg by using this concept conversion of 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Now next we have some more bits again. Let us solve that also. See the concept. The conversions is very important here. Let us go for the next bit. Write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. So writing decimal numbers into the expanded form. Already I have explained you how decimal numbers how to change into the expanded form according to the place values. The decimal divided into the two parts. One is integer part, the other one is a whole part. The decimal part. So in the whole parts we can see that decimal place values as usual like ones place, tens place, 100 places. But after the decimal, the place values will be changed, like it starts from the tens places. That you need to be remembered to do this bit. Okay, let's go for fifth question, fifth bit. Write the following decimals in the numbers in expanded form. Okay, let me write in the expanded form, that is 55.5. Let us write in the expanded form this 5 in ones place, this 5 in tens place. Okay, let us write expanded form of this 5 into this is in the tens place into 10 plus 5 into 1 this is in the ones place plus this decimal. So first decimal will be divided by 10 will be this. So normally we can write 50 plus 5 plus 5 by 10. 50 into 5 into 10, 50. 5 into 1 is 5. Here, this will be 5 by 10. This is the expanded form of this. Now the second one is that in this. So this is second one is that 5.55. So 5.55. 5 into 1 plus 5 by 10. See, this is the tens place and this will be in the hundredth place. So 5 by 100. Now we can write here 5 plus 5 by 10 plus 5 by 100. Simple. Now we can write now next. This also you write 0.5. This is 0.5 and 0.05 also you can write, but that is not required now. This is enough. The third question is 303.03. Let us write here this 3 in the hundredth place, plus 0 is not required. This 3 in the ones place, plus this 0 will not require. This 3 in the hundredth place. This tenth place is 0 that we won't take, but this 3 in the hundredth place. So this will write here. Next, this 3 into 100, 300 plus 3 plus 3 by 100. Then fourth one, 30.303. Okay, now here write 3 into 10. This is the tens place. This is the ones place. We need not to write now. We go for this 3 by 10 plus this 0 is not required here. Then here this 3 will be in the thousands place. Here 3 into 10, 30 plus 3 by 10 plus here 3 by 1000. This is simple. Now next, fifth one of this bit, 1234.56. So this 1 in the 1000 place 1 into 1000 plus 2 in the 100 place 2 into 100 plus 3 in the tens place 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus here 5 in tens place 5 by 10 plus 6 in the hundreds place 6 by 100. Now we can write 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4 plus 5 by 10 plus 6 by 100. Okay, this is the expanded form of the decimal numbers. I hope you understand that according to the place values how we can expand these decimal numbers. Now the next, if you know the place values or not, you can understand in the next bit, that is sixth bit. Here first question, what is the bit actually? Write the place value of 3 in the following decimal numbers. Place value of 3. What is the place value of 3 in this? Okay, I will write all the questions here. You have to identify what is the place values. Place values of 3 in the following questions here. 90.30. Fifth one is 794.037. What is the place values of 3? Let us find out the place values of 3 here. This 3 in the ones place. So 3 into 1, that equal to 31. So what is the place values of 3 here? 3 into 10 in the tens place, that is 30. Now what is the place values of 3 here? 3 by the ones tens place, hundreds place, 3 by 100. Here 3 by 10. Here 3 by 100. This is the place value, simple. 100th place. Here 100th place. Here in the 10th place. Here in the 10th place. 10th place. Okay, ones place. Now we go for, there are only 2 word problems. There are 2 word problems in this. Now let me read that. To understand this 7th word problem, we have one diagram here. I will try to write the diagram, draw the diagram. See that? Okay. Now here it is a and B, C, D and E. So here AE equal to 7 kilometers and AB equal to 9.50 kilometers and BC equal to 2.40 kilometers and here CD equal to 3.75 kilometers and DE equal to 8.25 kilometers. So what is this actually? Aruna and Radha starts their journey from two different places, A and E. Suppose Aruna started from here, Aruna started from here and suppose Radha started from E. Aruna started from A and Radha started from E, suppose. Aruna choose a path A to B, then to C, while Radha choose the path E to D and D to C. So they are reaching to C here from the two different paths. Aruna started from A to B and B to C. Aruna came to place C now. And Radha also started from E. Radha started from E and she walks towards E to D and D to C. However, at last they gathered at point C. Who travelled more and by how much? Who travelled more? By adding we will know it. Aruna travelled, let us see seventh solution. Aruna travelled is equal to how much? Here AB plus BC. AB plus BC. That means AB equal to what here? 9.50 kilometers plus BC equal to 2.40 kilometers. Here 9.50 and 2.40. Yes. Now let us add 0 and here 9 and 11. 11.90 kilometers. And here Radha now. Radha travelled the path of E to D plus D to C. So ED equal to 8.25 kilometers plus DC equal to 3.75 kilometers. Let us add here 8.25, 3.75. 550, 1 carry here 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. That's 1 carry again. Here 1 plus 9, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, 12. That is exactly 12.00 kilometers. Nothing but 12 kilometers. Here who? Here Radha travelled 12 kilometers. Aruna travelled 11.90 kilometers. Who travelled more? Radha travelled more. Who travelled more here? Clearly we can say that Radha travelled more. By how much? By, that is 12.00 kilometers minus, that is 11.90 kilometers. That equal to will get 0.10 kilometer. 0.10 kilometer they travelled more. That means Radha travelled more. By how much? 0.10 kilometers she travelled more. Aruna travelled less. That means 11.90 kilometers only. But Radha, she travelled 12 kilometers. Here we can understand Radha travelled more. By how much? 0.10 kilometer. Then we have last question of this exercise now. Let us start with that now. So, Upendra went to the market to buy vegetables. Upendra went to the market to buy the vegetables. He brought 2 kg, 250 grams tomatoes, 2 kg 500 grams potatoes, 750 grams lady fingers and 125 grams green chilies. How much weight did Upendra carry back to his house? How much weight he will carry? brought the different kind of vegetables in different quantities. We have to find out total number of kgs. How much quantity of total number of quantity of vegetables he purchased. That means we have to add this all so that we know that Upendra went to a market to purchase. Okay, the weight of. So Upendra brought tomatoes. The weight of tomatoes. The weight of tomatoes equal to 2 kg 250 grams. 2 kg 250 grams means this will convert into 2.250. So the weight of, now next, the weight of, next what he purchased again? Potatoes. Next he purchased the weight of potatoes equal to 2 kg 500 grams, 2.5 kgs. So 2.500. Next, the weight of again what he purchased? Lady fingers. Lady fingers. How much lady fingers he purchased? 750 grams. 750 grams. That means 0.750 kg. That means all these I am converting into the kgs. So already we have learned how to convert grams into kgs in our fourth bit only. So next, the weight of what he purchased again? Green chili. Green chilies. How much? 250 grams. Huh? No, 125 grams. 125 grams. That equal to 0.125 kg. This is. Now we have to find out total weight. The total weight Upendra only? Yes. Upendra carry to home equal to carry back to home equal to, let us add that all. Here this all will be in the case. Let us add 0 0 0 0 5. Here 5. Next 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 5, that is 12. Okay, 12 1 here. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 7 9. 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 2 16. 1 here. Here it is 5. 5.625 kgs. 5 kgs 625 grams are weight in carry to home. I hope you understand this exercise number 4 and exercise number 5 problems. Make it as a notes. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.